In today's video, we're gonna do 3 conversions. Firstly, we're gonna convert a truth table into a K-map, and we're gonna convert a K-map data into a function. And thirdly, we're gonna convert a function into a logic circuit. Let's imagine we were given the following truth table. And here is the K-map. We have the fill in the values. The values we're gonna fill in these squares are the output values, which we're gonna obtain here on the truth table. Let's start. When A is 0 and B is 0 and C is 0, output is 0. Is this one? Output is 0. When A is 0, B is 0 and C is 1. A is 0, B is 0, C is 1. The output is 0. Is this one? When A is 0, B is 1 and C is 0. A is 0, B is 1, C is 0. Output is 1. When A is 0, B is 1 and C is 1. A is 0, B is 1, C is 1. The output is 0. When A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0. A is 1, B is 1 and C is 0. Output is 1. We write 1 here. When A is 1, B is 1 and C is 1, the output is 0. A is 1, B is 1, C is 1, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0 and C is 0. A is 1, B is 0 and C is 0, output is 1. When A is 1, B is 0 and C is 1, output is 1. That's how we take the data on the truth table and fill in the K-map. This is the first part. Another important thing to know is how to convert a K-map data into a function. All we need to do in order to convert a K-map data into a function, we have to cycle group of ones. You can cycle 2 ones, you can cycle 4, you can cycle 8, even 1 you can cycle. But you cannot cycle 3. You cannot cycle 5. Let's now group in. The first group is the vertical group. This is the first group. The second group is the horizontal group. This is the second group. But what information can we derive from this K-map? What does the horizontal group depend on? Does it depend on A? Check. You have to notice that A changed from 0 to 1, meaning does not depend on A. And B, it is constant from 1 to 1. It does not change. Meaning B is not changing. It's not variable. It's not varying. Therefore, we're gonna write B. Should we write B or not B? Because B is 1 and the output is 1, we write B. Also, the horizontal group corresponds to the C value of 0. This horizontal group corresponds to the C value of 0. But because C is 0 and the output is 1, we're gonna write not C. We're gonna multiply by not C. Now let's move on to the second pair. Moving to this vertical pair. But firstly, we have to write the or sign. We have to write a plus. The plus represent the or. Represent the or. It's a or symbol. Now notice, does AB vary? Does AB vary? AB does not vary. Therefore, we're gonna write AB. AB, we're gonna write AB. But check, because B is 0 and output is 1, we're gonna write not B. This is the function. This is how you convert from a K-map into a function. The last thing we need to do is to convert this function into a logic circuit. All we need to do is to connect two AND gates. This is the first AND gate. This is the second AND gate. The first AND gate is gonna connect B and not C. It's B, it's not C. This is the output. This is the output. The second AND gate is gonna connect A and not B. Because we have plus between these two AND gates, we have to connect an OR gate. Therefore, we have two AND gates and an OR gate. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed.